Does your child know ABC but still cannot read simple words like cat, sun or mat? That is very common because reading does not start with letter names only. Reading starts with letter sounds. In this video, I will show you how your child can learn A to Z letter sounds step by step using the free level 1 inside the PVPA Phonics app. By the end of this video, you will know how to open the app, where to start and how to practice letter sounds with your child at home.
Many children can sing the ABC song, but when they see a word like cat, they do not know how to read it. Why? Because ABCs are letter names. But phonics teaches letter sounds. For example, A says A as in ant. B says B as in ball. C says K as in cat. When a child knows sounds, the child can blend sounds. For example, K, A, T, cat. This is why level 1 in PVPA starts with a strong phonics foundation. Now, let me show you how to use the PVPA app. First, open pvpaphonics.com, create your free account or login. After login, you will see the learning levels. Level 1 is free after sign up. Level 1 is called Foundation because it builds the base for reading. Parents, if your child is just starting phonics, begin here. Inside level 1, your child does not jump directly into hard reading. The app follows a proper step-by-step path. First, your child builds listening skills. Then your child learns what sounds are. Then your child learns the 26 letter sounds. After that, your child learns P and Q. Then the child starts blending. Then CVC words. And finally, level 1 sight words. This is why the app is structured. It does not confuse the child. It guides the child one step at a time. Now, let us open 26 letter sounds. In every letter lesson, your child can see the letter, hear the sound, see a picture, learn an action, and practice words. This is very helpful for children in non-English speaking countries also, because they need to hear the sound clearly again and again. Parents, do not rush. Let the child listen first, then repeat, then say the word. For example, A says A as in ant. Say it with me. A, ant. Parents, practice only a few sounds at a time. Do not force all 26 in one day. Small daily practice is better than one long, stressful lesson. Here is the best way to use each lesson. First, tap and listen to the sound. Second, ask your child to repeat the sound. Third, show the picture. Fourth, say the word. Fifth, do the action. This way your child is not only memorizing, your child is connecting sounds, letters, pictures, actions and words. This is real phonics learning.
Level 1 is free because every child deserves a strong reading foundation. After your child completes level 1, your child can continue with level 2, level 3 and level 4. Level 2 builds stronger phonics patterns. Level 3 teaches advanced reading rules. And level 4 builds fluency and confidence. But first, start with level 1. Build the foundation, then continue step by step.
This is how reading begins. One sound at a time. One word at a time. One confident reader at a time.
Parents, if your child is learning English reading, start with level 1 in the PVPA Phonics app. Go to pvpaphonics.com, sign up for free, open level 1 foundation and start practicing letter sounds today. The link is in the description. Subscribe to Pearls Valley Phonics Academy for more phonics lesson, app tutorials and reading practice videos. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.